Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Today's video, I'm actually going to be taking you guys with me on some shopping trips. I have to get a couple more prizes for Christmas Eve, and I just want to get some other last minute things, some stuff for cookie giveaways and things like that. So I'm going to take you with me on this little journey, on this little shopping spree. Okay, so I just got to the outlets and it was super hard to find a parking spot. Around this time of the year, everybody's okay, that was crazy, and I didn't find anything. On to the next store. Go back to my car. I got myself a hot chocolate. Now I'm gonna go to Heartland and see if I can find anything there, and then I will go home. Okay, so I'm back from shopping and I got some prizes. At least I got one prize, and I can't show you because I feel like some of my family watches this and I want it to be a surprise. But right now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna make a cake for my Friendsmas party this evening. I'm gonna make a really easy cake, no bake, super easy, one of my favorite cakes. Actually probably should have made this yesterday because it tastes way better when it's like kind of sat and had a chance to like soften up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything ready. I'm just gonna show you how to make it, and then I'm gonna go and get ready for the party because it's pretty soon. So yeah. So this cake is actually really easy to make. All you need is vanilla pudding, Cool Whip, and then I went to the dollar store and I found this like little festive tray. I just washed it. So that's done. So pretty much all you need to do, all I need to do is I need to make the vanilla. It's easier if you just buy like the pre-packages, like snack packs of vanilla. And I was honestly going to do that, but I couldn't find any vanilla that wasn't made with skim milk. So I just decided to make it myself, and then just Cool Whip, which I probably should have left in the freezer for a little bit longer, but it's fine. Go ahead and make this vanilla pudding. Okay, so I have to make this and let it rest for 5 minutes, 5 or so minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Also, when I was cooking dinner, I think I did this wrong. Okay, so I think I did it right. It's there. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge. Almost lost you. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for 3 minutes and I'm gonna check on it. If it doesn't work, I'll have to run to another grocery store and see if they have vanilla pudding pre-made. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait 3 minutes. It's ready. Probably should use a spatula, but I'm too lazy. So how this works is we're gonna do a little layer of whipped cream. Should probably put this. A little layer of whipped cream, just so that the crackers don't move. And I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if that's what they were talking about, but you see, it's like kind of lightly coated. Okay, my crackers. Okay, so then we get our crackers, and I'm gonna put a layer down. And I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay. We're just gonna try our best. I honestly really like baking, and I was gonna bake my cookies, my Christmas cookies today. But I'm gonna bake them tomorrow. I think Steph is also gonna bake her cookies either today or tomorrow. But she like actually decorates her Christmas cookies, like ices them and makes them look pretty, and I just make like way too many cookies. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put some vanilla pudding, and then I'll show you what that looks like too. This cake is honestly so yummy. So freaking delicious. Would you guys be interested in Steph and I maybe doing like a baking challenge or like a cooking challenge? She would probably win the cooking challenge because I just don't have patience to cook. Like it's just, I think it's because I wait too long to actually cook, and then I'm starving by the time I actually go and start to cook. But should we do that? Should we get like maybe like a tasty book recipe or something and get some friends and have them judge us? Let us know. Comment down below if that's a good idea. Steph's gonna be like, why did you suggest that? But I'll show you now what it looks. So I just put vanilla, covered it completely. And then I'm gonna put whipped cream. Okay, so I'm gonna use another spoon because I don't want to mix. Inspired. Okay. So this is what the whipped cream layer looks like. And I'm just gonna keep going. Cracker, pudding, whipped cream, cracker, pudding, whipped cream. And then my final layer will be whipped cream, and then I'm gonna wash some strawberries. I'm gonna cut them up, and I'm gonna lay them out pretty. Should have got mini marshmallows because I could have made them look like Santa hats, but that's fine. Finished the last layer. Can you really see? Yeah. So it looks like that. I think I put like 3 or 4 layers. I only showed you one because it would just be repetitive. But now I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to wash some strawberries, and I'm going to put the strawberries on top and then put it in the fridge and hope to God it's good for later. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to go in and get ready for Friendsmas and wrap my gift because I haven't done that yet. Okay, so cake is done. Just gotta put this lid on it. Cake is done. Gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, so the cake is done, it's in the fridge, it's setting, and now I'm gonna go and get ready for Friendsmas. Gotta go find my ugly Christmas sweater, because I don't remember where I put it. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let us know down below if you want us to do a cooking challenge or a baking challenge, because I think that would be so much fun. But once again, that's it for today's video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because we will be back with more videos. Bye.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it